So Spice and Tommie from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta have been going back and forth all day on Instagram because of the new episode that just aired recently. So, if you guys don't know about the episode, it was an episode where Spice and Tommie, they have a song together and they were supposed to do the song video. Tommie showed up 3 hours late, came in with a red cup in her hand. And if you have been watching Love and Hip Hop for a while, you know that everybody has been saying that Tommie is an alcoholic. She has some type of alcohol abuse problem. She's always drunk. She came 3 hours late to a video shoot that she knew was gonna happen. So Spice was not having it. She said she and her got into it, started arguing and all that. I don't know what happened after that, but Tommie decided it was appropriate for her to reply to the new episode on Instagram this morning, and this is what she had to say.
If you didn't know, then why are you posting on your page like it's facts? Why are you posting that on your page like it's facts? I don't feel what the fuck all that. No, Tommie, me didn't know they was gonna do that. Me didn't know me didn't know. Fuck all that shit, bitch. If you didn't know, then why are you posting on your page like it's facts? Why are you posting that on your page like it's facts? I don't feel what the fuck all that. Like, they asked me to say a lot of shit. If I don't resonate with my soul, I'm not saying fact. I've never been late to a studio session. Spice knows that I wasn't late that day, but Spice has to do what she's told, and the rest of them do as well. Me and the liquor and all of that, I don't have a drinking problem. I drink when I want to. Spice, didn't I introduce you to Sam Sneak? Ain't that my beat? Didn't I take you to Ross house to record? Everywhere we recorded at, didn't I pay for it? All of y'all motherfuckers passing judgment who life is probably upside down, but nobody can see that because y'all are nobody. Y'all can motherfucker, y'all opinions do. Even in Miami, the Miami shit, doing a video out there, wasn't that my glam squad? Remember, some of my wife is a part of the show because I'm confused. Because I don't understand, oh, you girl Tommie, I got to talk about, oh, me, and make you look like you're late. Bitch, you walk in from the scene and when I ask you if you're late, you use your own teeth and tongue and say you're late because you're pig sick. You said that. Money never tell if you say it, nobody never tell if you say it, and you use your own mouth and say it, so don't stress out my epiglottis. And second of all, you come talk about you pay for studio time. Girl, you paid for your own session. Remember, say you take 40 days and 40 nights to record the verse, so that's what you paid for. Me record my part all the way at Jamaica, so I don't understand, you confuse me. Now come tell me about Glam Squad. Me and you and God knows, say, me pay for every single thing for myself, and I have my receipt. Remember, PayPal not delete. So don't come stress me. Come like them set up upon you. You come tell me about me and make you look like you're drunk. Them been a say you're alcoholic way before me meet you. Girl, bye. So, I just learned all of the excitement on Instagram. But me remember say me is a new cast member, so me wonder if it's a part of the show because I'm confused. Because I don't understand, oh, you girl Tommie, I got to talk about, oh, me and make you look like you're late. Bitch, you walk in from the scene and when I ask you if you're late, you use your own teeth and tongue and say you're late because you're pig sick. You said that. Money never tell if you say it, nobody never tell if you say it, and you use your own mouth and say it, so don't stress out my epiglottis. And second of all, you come talk about you pay for studio time. Girl, you paid for your own session. Remember, say you take 40 days and 40 nights to record the verse, so that's what you paid for. Me record my part all the way at Jamaica, so I don't understand, you confuse me. Now come tell me about Glam Squad. Me and you and God knows, say, me pay for every single thing for myself, and I have my receipt. Remember, yeah. Remember, say, you do the scene by yourself. I don't work at Eastern Blood Clot TV. I don't work with VH1. You come to the scene and I ask you why you're late, and you answer and say you're late because of a pig. Nobody never open your mouth. What did I get, man? Nobody never open your mouth and tell us if you talk where you talk. And you say you're late because of one pig. Me take away your cup and say you're drunk. But oh, you vex through the scene, come out and oh, it look and when people are say, you know what scene my blood clot when people are talking kind of things about me, I don't look left and right. You're upset with me for what people are say. Pick up yourself, girl. You're upset with me for what people are say? And I mean tell yourself, you say you like drinking. Them been say you drunk before me even meet you. And I'm me set up the scene, girl. You come and say you're late because of a pig. Big up yourself, my girl. I make a quick video. You say you're late because of a pig. Nobody never open your mouth and tell us it's a blood clot. Say it. And you open your mouth and say, no, fuck your bumper clot with me. Remember, I pay for every friggin' thing. Half
And that's what Spice had to say. Spice, they make the world know, says nobody no control her, and she is 100% authentic, especially when it comes to her craft. She not playing on games, and she explained everything that happened, and so on and so forth. Then Tommie decided to actually reply, but she replied with a picture on Instagram, and I'm gonna read exactly what the picture says and the caption. So Tommie decided to reply on Instagram, and she said, so how you gonna feel like this and still try to spray me in green screen? Me saying I paid for the studio time, got the video crew, wardrobe, cars, and glams are just facts as to why I most certainly take my career and craft seriously. You and I have had many conversations about the situation when the cameras are rolling. I never dropped the ball, hints to why the pig was mentioned. And again, it's not all about that. It's about the level of disrespect when you downplay all I put into this and say I've been so hard to work with, LOL. I made myself available every time we both were in town and facilitated a place for us to work every time so we could get this done. Shaking my head. I usually would get out of character about the level of disrespect I feel about this, but I'm so used to being betrayed, shit doesn't even faze me anymore. I could have blasted you on how you were rude to my whole staff in Miami back then, or even how you never even said thank you. I hadn't seen you since the video before that scene, and I still held my composure. I'm never on time, don't show up. I'm really corny considering we know what's really good. But work your little move, doll. You seem amped in your cute little video. Let me know if you want to handle this differently, because you know I stay on that. At Spice Official. So, I don't really know if I should have threatened Spice when she come with the, let me know if you want to handle this differently, because you know how I stay on that. But, I don't think Tommie can handle Spice if she's really about that life. I think it's not going to be pretty if them go head to head and actually fight. But, this whole thing is about being polite. If somebody and you are doing a job together, it's not right for you to show up 3 hours late and blame it on your pet pig. Like, no one gives a damn. If it's about business and money moves, then make it about business and money moves, and don't give sorry excuses. No one cares about your pet pig, Tommie. I'm sorry, but nobody no care. And she's trying to say that the whole situation was contrived and to make she look bad and all that. But quite honestly, I don't think Spice have to make up no fake storyline for the pan Love and Hip Hop. She don't at all, but you never know. As far as reality TV is concerned, a lot of this thing is fake and contrived and make up and all of that. So me can't swear for nobody. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think Tommie and Spice going to head is going to end good in this season? Do you think they're actually going to fight in this season? Do you think that the reunion is going to be a place where them get down and dirty as far as squashing out this whole situation? Because as you guys know, the reunion normally airs after the show premieres, and you know people always going in on social media and going back and forth, and when reunion comes, that's the time when everybody gets it popping. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.